Hello everyone and welcome to Mega Projects Around the World. We'll be exploring the latest and greatest feats of engineering and construction from every corner of the planet. So if you're as fascinated by big construction, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible journey of discovery. Let's explore mega projects around the world together. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the introduction of flying taxis. Dubai is going to be the first country around the world to offer this amazing mini flying rides. For this purpose, Dubai has started contracts with different countries around the world who are showcasing their designs of flying taxis. In today's video, we will discuss about 3 of them. So, on number 1 we have Volocopter. Volocopter is a pioneering air taxi company that aims to revolutionize urban mobility by providing safe, sustainable, and efficient air travel. Their innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing (EVTOL) aircraft, known as Volocopters, are designed to transport passengers and cargo quickly and easily over short distances within urban areas. Volocopter was founded in 2011 by Alexander Zossel and Stefan Wolf, 2 German entrepreneurs with a passion for aviation and sustainability. Together, they set out to design and develop a safe and reliable EVTOL aircraft that could be used for urban air mobility. Their team of experts in aeronautics, engineering, and software development has since grown to over 150 employees from more than 30 countries, all working together to make urban air mobility a reality. With their cutting-edge technology and commitment to sustainability, Volocopter is poised to transform the way we travel and live in our cities. On number 2 we have Joby Aviation. Joby Aviation is a California-based aerospace company that specializes in the development of electric vertical takeoff and landing (EVTOL) aircraft for urban air mobility. Their goal is to create a safe, efficient, and affordable air transportation system that can be used by anyone, anywhere. Joby Aviation was founded in 2009 by JoBen Bevert, a visionary entrepreneur and inventor with a background in engineering and product design. Bevert assembled a team of experts from diverse fields including aeronautics, engineering, software development, and manufacturing to create an EVTOL aircraft that could meet the needs of urban air transportation. Over the years, Joby Aviation has worked tirelessly to design and build an innovative aircraft that is both sustainable and scalable. Their team has achieved several significant milestones, including the world's first full-sized EVTOL aircraft to achieve vertical takeoff and landing, and the first EVTOL aircraft to receive airworthiness approval from the United States Air Force. With their advanced technology and commitment to sustainable aviation, Joby Aviation is leading the way in the development of urban air mobility and transforming the future of transportation. On number 3 we have Spang Aero HT. Spang Aero HT is a cutting-edge electric flying car company dedicated to creating innovative aerial mobility solutions for the future. The company aims to transform the way we travel by providing a new and efficient way to move through the air, while reducing our carbon footprint. Spang Aero was founded by He Xiaoping, a Chinese entrepreneur and investor who is also the founder of Spang Motors, a leading electric vehicle manufacturer. He Xiaoping recognized the potential of the electric aviation market and established Spang Aero to lead the charge in developing electric vertical takeoff and landing (EVTOL) aircraft. With a team of experienced engineers and designers, Spang Aero is working on the development of an innovative flying car that can take off and land vertically, providing a convenient and eco-friendly way to move through the air. The company's vision is to create a new era of personal transportation that is not only faster and more efficient, but also more sustainable. Through its advanced technology and commitment to innovation, Spang Aero is poised to transform the future of aerial mobility, providing a new way. If you enjoyed it, Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all our latest content. And if you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.